Yeah, baby, you ready?
That's it. Yeah.
So what did you just put in there? JJ, what did you put in there? You don't know. Isabella. Vinegar. Everybody show me how to waft.
I'm too little. I can't.
You're too little. Try it.
What do we do now? What else? A drink fry like a normal drink fry, but a chocolate, almost like a chocolate one. Like a hot dog.
Like a hot dog, you know?
A chocolate. Put it around. Three. One more.
I'm getting a big one.
All right.
4. So I have to.
Okay. Y'all ready? Look. Oh, it popped off. That was it?
That was cool.
Alright. So, good lesson learned. We need to put this on more. Because the harder it is to pop it off, is the more pressure it's going to create. Perfect. Round 3. We're going to mess this up. Smooth time. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where's the chocolate?
I got it right here in my hand.
Okay, let's put it in.
Okay. Oh, look, when it's smooth, put that on tight. Hey. Move. Is that it?
No, I think we have to make a minute.
You said wait a minute. Back up.
I think it's about to go.
Think so?
Yeah, it's just bubbling. Or maybe you put that thing in too tight.
Maybe it's a little too far. It's bubbling.
It's bubbling. Say that. That's bubbling.
How anticlimactic. Move. Is it?
Oh.
Well. Ready. Take 4.
Believe it. And then shake it. You ready? Shake it more.
There's a little bit more pressure build up.
Woo!
We did it!
Dad,
I gotta see it because I didn't even see it. Did we get it? Let me see.
Yeah.
We did it, man! Woo! Yeah, let me see.
All right. Starting take 5 or 6 or something.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Shake.
Jakey, Jakey.
Oh my God! It's black.
Woo! That was pretty exciting.
Put me in there.
Ready?
Yeah.
Take 117.
We're gonna have an issue. Hold on.
Final take.
Lancha.
Maybe.
We're ready for Lancha.
JJ, you ready? Hey, guys, look. It's about to blast off.
I'm watching. I'm watching. Oh my God, Lisa. Ah! Do it again.
It already had.
Final take.
Final, nothing. Final tape.
Oh no. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my God. Mom.
Woo. Finally.
Mom, do you saw that?
I seen it.